Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of painting with a product that promises to revolutionize your DIY projects. Introducing the True Blue 18 professional paint roller covers, touted as the best paint roller cover for ceilings available in the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, finding the right paint roller cover can make all the difference in achieving that flawless finish. And True Blue delivers just that. These roller covers boast premium microfiber construction, designed to pick up and release paint like a pro. With a 3x paint absorption rate compared to standard rollers, you'll breeze through your painting projects in record time. What sets True Blue apart is its versatility. No matter the surface or paint type, these roller covers have you covered. From textured walls to smooth ceilings, latex paints to epoxies, True Blue excels across the board. Plus, with different nap lengths available, you can customize your roller cover to suit your specific painting needs. Don't just take our word for it, though. Customers rave about the True Blue roller covers, praising their quality, performance, and value. From excellent paint coverage to easy cleanup, it's clear why these roller covers have garnered such high praise. So, whether you're tackling a home renovation project or adding a fresh coat of paint to your space, make sure you're equipped with the best of the best. True Blue 18 Professional Paint Roller covers your secret weapon for achieving professional results with ease. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, happy painting!